how to withdraw money from Moomoo. So just go ahead and log into the account you want to withdraw money from and go to the get account section. What you're gonna have to do now is press on all over here. You should be able to see something like this. So once you press on all, go to the funds section and you'll be able to see withdraw. Once you press on withdraw, you'll be able to get this. So basically some random info, but there's a withdraw button over here. Just go ahead and press on that. So once you're here, it's gonna show you a client portal. So you're going to go to the client portal and you're gonna use the credentials. It's gonna automatically fill in as well. So for your account safety, you will need to set a new password when you log in for the first time as well. But just go ahead and press on enter. You'll be led to the portal itself where you can do the process, choose your withdrawal options and where the money is going to. But that is pretty much how you withdraw in Moomoo. Just go ahead and follow the process once you're here. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.